Hello, welcome at Digital Opening. Today I'm going to share with you how to remove your background image with three methods. So we are going to talk about the online method, the online paid method, online free method, and we are going to see the offline method. So if you are new on the channel, subscribe, hit the notification button to not miss a thing. So let's start. For the paid method, we are going to use Canva. Canva is great for design, and if you are new and you don't have a Canva account, you can start for free. So actually, I'm here on a free account, and I will show you how to remove your background with Canva. And let's take this design. What is the advantage of removing image background with a paid tool? Is it will keep your image quality, will keep you the quality of the image you are going to remove the background. So to proceed, if you are in Canva, you want to remove a background image, first you need to be in a paid version. If you are on free version of Canva, you will not be able to access this option, and it's very simple to use. You just click on the image you want to remove the background, you go to edit, and this the background remover option here. Here you cannot use it because you are on free version. Understand? We are on free version, so you cannot remove it, and it's pretty simple. As you remove, you press remove, it will go to work and do its job. Simple as this. So all this design here you are seeing up here, I create it with the free tool, so the tool is called remove.bg. So this introduces us to the free tool, free online tool that you can use to remove your background. So as I was saying, removing your background will help you create design you like this image. This image, I remove the background. They are from these pictures. You see this umbrella here, they are from this picture. And also you can see those back, see those back, all those back, this one, this one, this one. I remove the background using remove.bg. Let's start remove.bg. Let's go. This is a free tools you can use to remove your background image. So let's upload. Let's take this. I already use this one already. We'll upload, and bam, the job is done. The downside of using the online free tool is you will have a low quality image. You like here you can see we upload the 1080 by 1060, and you have a preview of 58503 by 496. It will give you a low quality image, and if you want to download the HD quality, then you will have to pay. So that's it. But this is fine for me. You can use it for your design, especially if it's not something where you have to put in a billboard or something like that. It just for a video, and it will stay on the screen like 5 seconds, so there's no need to worry. So this is one of the free tool I use. Like I always use this one when I say one of them, but it's because there are also many out there like removal.ai, but me I stick with remove.bg always. So let's take this one and try this. Let's take another one. Photo size source, I know this one. Clickmagick, let's try this one also. So Clickmagick, let's upload an image. Let's take the same. This one is not finished. Let's take another one here, same image. Let's check the result. Oh, very good. See, remove good design. And to download you need to, I think it's like you need to pay, or they will put a watermark on it. The download a size limit preview. They will give you a small size, so this is it. You need to buy credit to download your image. So I will close this one. And this one, it's a total mess. So you can take edit tool. And here, if you have to use this. So to avoid all of this, I always use remove.bg, because I never have any problem with remove.bg. Okay, we are on photo sizes, and you can see here this area, they remove this one from the picture we want. So what you need to do is just to select all that should be included in the picture. Just ask them to include all of this in the picture, and you see they are back here. Every area you want it to be included, you just add. That's it. And you can see the top layer. If you want to remove, to bring that one back, I think it's like this. Okay. So after you just download, you see they will always give you low resolution. So that's why when you are using a free tools, you will always have a low resolution. So this all for the online free tools. So let's move on to the offline tools. Okay, for offline tools, we are going to use software like Microsoft Word, Excel. Okay, I have it here. Let's clean all of this. Okay, to remove image with Microsoft Word is very simple. You just need to import your image. I have some image I prepare here for this tutorial. So you drag your image and paste it here, and you will go to format, and inside format you will have remove background here. So make sure you select the picture you want to remove the background, and you go to remove background. You see it have select all those area that have been selected are going to be removed. So what you need to do is to expand the area like this, expand it more and more until you have the quality. You have all your image, the part that you want to keep select. You see, you want to keep all this, so all the area in color will be removed, and this one that had not been select will be kept. So there's this top layer you can see of the house that we want to keep. So what we do is mark area to keep. You select mark area to keep, and you just go and draw over the place. That's it. Okay, and there's also a little place here. All is good. Then you just click on keep change, and you have a good image with the same quality. So this one is like an alternative for the paid tools. You can use this. So you can use this and remove your image background. And after you have removed this, you have to remember the image is still on Microsoft Word document. It's still in the document, so you cannot use it in other document. So to do that, you just you right click and you select save as picture. Save as picture, and let's go and save it in desktop. Let's go to house. I think there's a folder called image remove. Okay, bg remove. Let's take a house. And we save it there. So let's try another image like this one. the same procedure. Select, remove. You can adjust the area. This one is already good, and keep change. Select, remove, keep change, and you can see this one is a little bit large. You can see it's taking all this area. So after you have removed the background, you just select and you crop it. You go like this and crop. That's it. After your cropping is done, or over crop it. Okay, you crop it, and you make the same, save as picture, and desktop, BG, remove and save. Okay, so sometime when you just drag a picture like this, like you just take the picture and drag it in the document like this option, when you go to the format, picture tool, format, and you will not see this remove.bg, see this remove background. So you will not see this remove background option. Sometime when you drag picture and put it here, you will not see this remove background option. So to resolve that, just go to insert the image. Don't drag and paste, just insert, because it happened for me sometime. When I drag a picture I put here, I will not have the option of removing the background. So to do that, you just go to insert, you select picture, you navigate where the picture is, you select the picture to insert. So after insert, then you will see the option of removing the background, and you just select, adjust the area you want to keep and the one you want to remove, and keep change. After you keep change, you crop your picture. When cropping is done, you just select save as picture in the required folder. You go to desktop, and I will just put a random name, and that's it. So it's the same with Excel, so you can just use the same method to insert your image. So let's go and see our result. You can see this is the image. You can see, let's open the original one to image, and you can compare. You can see the quality here, very good. And also let's compare with the online. You can see the online is not that clear like this. You can see this one, the online on, when we remove, is not and the resolution also, you don't have the same resolution. So I think it's better for you to use your offline tools than going for online to remove your image background, because you have a great tool already offline to do that. No need to waste your time online and be getting low quality image. So if you are new, subscribe to the channel, and that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Ciao.